Okay, so my little brother's home. Finally, he gave me the sticker. Now we're gonna make Valentine's food. Okay, so we're gonna start off with fun cupcakes, Valentine's theme. Okay, so we have these heart-shaped cupcake pans. So we're gonna use this.
Maybe this big. This big.
This makes 24 cupcakes.
Okay, and you just need to repeat that.
We'd have to repeat it 4 times.
See, that's easy.
It's gonna take 19 to 23 minutes. Okay, I have a mixer and I have the measuring cups. Heart-shaped measuring cups. You already know. Y'all gonna. We're just gonna start. We're gonna. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
He doesn't want to do it, so it's just me, I guess. Never mind, he's gonna do it now. Good job. He's gonna do it now. Okay. So we have the things. Now we're gonna measure everything out. Put the water in the 1 cup, okay?
Okay.
And I'll put the vegetable in the half a cup.
So this is 1 cup and that's half cup.
Yes.
Okay, that's like measuring water, right?
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Good job.
Wait.
No.
Yeah.
Did you wash your hands? Are you serious? Luckily, he only did the bottle. He's so cool. Okay, he did it, guys. He washed his hands. Now we're gonna open the box. And we're gonna actually get into it. This is what it looks like. It has some sprinkles inside. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna put everything in this bowl. Okay. Hey, we need to put the oven first.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I don't know. We're just gonna have to figure it out later.
But that's mine, so don't do it too much.
What?
And do not.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. Do not like it. Continue.
Alright, boom. Really careful.
Wow.
Good job. Now we're gonna add the oil. Now the eggs.
And guess what? It seems like it wasn't that hard.
It doesn't.
Ugh. Oh my god.
Poke the eggs first.
Poke the eggs.
Yeah, poke the eggs.
This is gonna be the most delicious cupcakes ever. Oh my god, it smells.
It's done mixing. Now we're gonna
Bake it.
yeah, we're gonna put it in the little the cupcake sheets. Yeah, we're gonna put these in there. The second cupcake batch is in. They don't wait, whatever. They do not look great.
Masterpiece.
A masterpiece.
Yes. Well, this one's kind of baloney.
Now we're gonna work on the charcuterie board. I bought some cheese and and pepperoni, and hopefully there's ham in there because I didn't buy that. Yeah, I'm stacking two because they're like really thin by themselves. I got some heart-shaped cutters. I'm gonna use these. Say please. Gentle.
Napoleon. Who's Napoleon? Awesome. My cannon is being recorded.
It's really good. So I have the frosting. It's whipped. Everyone in my family doesn't really like frosting, so I'm not gonna put that much in it. I do still want it to be like Valentine, so it's gonna be pink. Her gifts. Canela. Oh, your Valentine's Day gift. You like it? You like it? Look at the toy. Oh, you like the toy?
Stop. Happy birthday.
Para tu café.
¿Anís ese?
No.
¿Qué?
Falté.
Un café.
Que no tengo los lentes.
También es más jamón.
Oh, jamón. Ay, qué linda. You are so sweet. Thank you.
¿Te bañaste?
Tengo dulce corazón, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Es cierto.
¿Cómo?
Siempre me lo han dicho.
¿Entendés?
El corazón dulce. Sí, siempre me lo han dicho.
Amén.
Siempre, no, siempre me lo han dicho. Toda la vida. Me lo han dicho.
Así tenés el corazón de miel. Ah, pues que seas conmigo también todo el día.
Thank you, mija. Thank you. Doy gracias a Dios por tu chispa.
Sí, mija.
Yum. Yum, 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 yum,
¿Está más rico?
yum. This is my dinner.
Este es el porno.
But come on, this is dessert. The cupcakes are not dinner.
Hola, señores. Bienvenido a mi restaurante. ¿Necesita menú?
Sí, espérate. Despacio. Ahí rico.
Sí, sí, porque te lo voy a dar los dos, claro, que ninguno quería, le daba vergüenza. Sigo puro.
We're gonna make pasta now. My mom was helping me because I forgot how to make pasta sauce. Switch to a bigger pot because I underestimated the amount of pasta. I'll come back to being the only chef. I just didn't know how to like what stuff to put in there. But now, yeah.